Verify returned item condition and back it up with timestamped images and an entire video of the verification process with vAudit. The associate begins by scanning the RMA or tracking ID, which starts the recording. The SKU inspection begins while the camera records in the background without adding extra steps to the process. If the associate finds a half-used perfume, then the issue is pointed out on camera. An image capture is triggered at that moment by a barcode scan. vAudit timestamps the image and drops a marker on the video timeline for instant reference. Next, the associate decides whether to restock, refurbish, or destroy the item. Products that are restocked or refurbished are then rebagged, labeled with an LPN, and routed back into inventory, and the associate scans the RMA again to stop the recording. The video and image proof are instantly retrieved by searching for the RMA ID from the SOC 2 certified cloud platform. This can be downloaded for internal purposes or shared as a link with sellers or customers. With vAudit, every return is backed by timestamped video and image proof. This ensures damaged or used items never goes back to another customer, while giving both the 3PL and the brand full visibility and accountability.